And now I need download driver Epson WorkForce. Uh, okay, you start the driver download now. Driver download. Okay, this one and search the official website Epson. Okay, this here the website Epson. Click here and please write. Okay, this here the website loading, and this here the download iOS driver and Android driver. This is the apps, App Store and Play Store, and this is the system operation for the type the Windows 8, and this here the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows XP, and Windows Vista. This here the Windows Server and Mac OS and Mac 12 and new driver Mac OS and Mac 11, and this here the Linux driver option. And this here this video I am need download driver Windows 11 apps driver Epson Windows 11 driver Epson Workforce Windows 11. Click here and click button go. Please wait the driver loading. Okay, this is the Windows package recommended for you. This is the driver and utility combo package installer. And click here. This is the package driver, printer driver, scanner driver, and Epson scan utility, and Epson manager, Epson F1 manager, and this is the Epson Flex utility and Epson real in ready in against and request Windows 7 or later. And this here the Epson Scan 2, you see a component and Epson app and some software update. It is here a compatible system operation for driver Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and now Windows Server. This is the driver only, driver print only, and driver printer and driver scanner only. This is the driver print only. This is support for this will contain the Epson Workforce driver print driver. This is the scanner only, not printing, and this is the remote for the Wi-Fi. This is the Ethernet and wireless for the Wi-Fi and the where Ethernet network. And this is the this is the Epson Connect service. For setup information, please see our Epson Connect printer setup for the Windows. And this is compatible for the Windows 11, new Windows, and support for Windows 8, Windows Server for uh, print remote for Windows Server support. And this is the utilities for the software updates and smart text utility and Epson Connect print for the setup. And this is the remote print to scan to remote print and scan to cloud. And this here the Epson F1 manager and Epson scan UCR component. This here the firmware for the recovery mode, firmware for the this here the version, this here the this firmware update and USB cable is a request and this is recovery for the system operation. This video I need download driver package recommended for you. This is the package driver. Click button go for the Windows 11. Click button go. Please wait the driver. If you need install driver for your driver Epson for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for your laptop or PC. Laptop or PC take the USB printer and please wait the finish download and uh, driver running and driver for run as driver and detect for automatic fail. This automatic fail automatic detect for the USB printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below, comment below description. Thank you for